Please see what's in the DIY kit. Container, pebbles, artificial plants for decoration, tubes, USB pump. Let us start making the fountain. Keep the container, fix the pump, add the pebbles, and decorate. Almost done. We're there. Ta-da! I'm connected to the power bank. I have decorated the fountain nicely. Now I am going to pour some water. Now I'm happy. Hey, it's working. I'm so happy my fountain is made. Thanks for watching. The next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.